We unlock the cover. We enter the dark part of the camera, there we put the roll of film. The rewind mechanism works after we pull the lens forward. We put the cover back and lock it. Take several blank shots, releasing the shutter and advancing the film, until frame counter reads 1. Turn it until the film speed of your film. The right ring is for the aperture. The lens ring is for focus, it is manual only. The left ring is for the shutter speed. For correct exposure, make sure the arrows match.